Ever messaged a prospect, not knowing their company just got acquired by Amazon? That's like Mario walking into Bowser's castle, blindfolded, whistling the old way, manually Googling news like it's 2002, praying for updates. The AI way, total superhero mode? Use Clay, Apollo EO, or Phantom Buster to auto-detect changes, funding, job moves, product launches. Then ask ChatGPT to craft custom intros. Headlines like, "Congrats on the Series A, that's more funding than Tony Stark's garage." Connected with Zapier or Make, now every message hits at the perfect moment, like Batman dropping in mid-heist. Need a pro site for your outreach? Build one free with Moksy.ai. No coding skills needed. So, why guess when AI gives you X-ray sales vision? Subscribe now. Next episode, flying in faster than Superman on espresso.